outside, but of course we can work inside. Plenty of small jobs to do. I just stick some glue, the reinforcement for place where I feed the water pump. Okay. Access hatch or access door, you wanna call it, for bathroom, for this place where I have a plumbing with everything. Was black, too big to be black, so I make a template and chop it this from PVC sheet. Looks, for me, looks great. This is supports for shower tray, because this shower tray is like a very poor quality and the edges going down, so I have to support them from the bottom. This is also for bathroom. It's a kind of shelf, pocket, how you call it, for shampoo or something like that. It will be fitted inside the wall. It's aluminium, powder coated, and of course I already cut this piece. It will be bonded with something like that. Similar will be with a tap. Right now I'm working over this. Yeah, of course this is template. Right now I have to build some bracket to keep this. I don't want to keep it on here because it will be only bonded, so it can be ripped out or something like that. So what I want to do, make kind of like an aluminium bracket for it inside the wall. This bracket should looks like that. Right now, and right now I have to weld it. Maybe not beauty, but I hope it will work. It's from Eberspacher. I don't know how to spell it in German. It's a flap inside and can like direct the hot air here or here. So I bought it, but it was, even right now you can see you see this is not like a perfect, was a gap here, so I use hot glue to seal it. Maybe later on I add some alu foil, I don't know. It will be not so hot, so probably this glue will be okay, but I have to do it.